When it comes to music, at the moment we've just got the track that's on there. If you wanted to put music underneath that, and obviously it's not so relevant for this, but if you wanted to put some new music on at the beginning of the of your showreel, you can hit the music button here, which will then you'll be able to navigate to a piece of music that you might want to use. We're going to try listen to this one. So we're going to put that one in, and you can then drag that into here and say at the beginning, and as you can see, the green shows you how long the music is through that piece, so it kind of goes through the whole half. So if you played it now, it will have the original track and the new track you brought in, which obviously makes it into a very exciting piece of filmmaking there. So what you can then do is you can edit the music. So if you just right click on this, you can go to trim the music. If you go to trim there's your music, and that's the whole music all the way through to the end. But you can trim it in the same way as you trim a video, so you can just choose just the beginning bit to last for the beginning section there. You put it to there and do done, then that music is now just going to play for the beginning of that. So if we hear that. So with the music, now that we've got that on there, we can actually get it to fade by clicking the little green thing, which is your music, the bit of music that you've got there, and then go to this button down here, which is adjust audio, and then you can just literally add a manual fade out and a fade in. So we're going to have that music fading in and fading out, and we're going to fade it out over about 1.5 seconds. We do that, and then play it, and as you can hear, it'll fade out. So, so there we've got basically our finished piece. Obviously, you need to play around with that to find out exactly how to re-edit your showreel in the way you want to. But those are the basic principles. We're now going to export this, put it onto a DVD. So that's your finished piece there. We're going to go to File. Sorry, no, we're going to go to Share, and we're going to go to Export Movie. So that's what we're going to do now. That's our movie there, and we're going to export movie, and we're going to call this Nicole again, and put that into the Nicole folder. And again, just choosing the large export option there. So we're going to export that, and that's just preparing to export. And for that length of, it's about 2 minutes worth, it's going to take about 9 minutes. So I'll see you in 9 minutes time. Okay, so we're back, and we've exported the iMovie clip, and if we again look in the Nicole folder, so we've got Nicole's M4V file, which is the export from iMovie. We're now going to download a final bit of software to burn that onto a DVD, so you have your finished master copy. So of your edited piece. So we go, for the Apple people, we go to the Apple icon here, and then go to Mac OS X software, click on that, and it opens up your browser, and it gets you to the Apple web page. You then want to go to all downloads on the website, and go all the way down to System Disk Utilities, and click that, and then scroll down to all the past all these other options, right to the end of the page. Burn 2.2U is the software we want to download, which is free, and click on that, and we'll basically download that, which is there. We've already downloaded it, so you downloaded it and install it just as you did the other software. Once you've downloaded that, we'll open it up. There it is, the Burn software, which we previously downloaded, and so I'm going to open that up now. And it opens up straight away, and it's a very simple window. On the untitled place, little sort of area here, you just simply type in the name of what you want to call your showreel. So in this case, we'll call it Nicole, and that'll be the name that you see when somebody puts in the DVD if it's on a computer, and it'll come up as Nicole. So you call that Nicole, and you now want to bring in your file there, and it's File. Where is it?
You just drag it in.
Oh, you just drag it in.
Make sure you've selected video.
Oh yes. So the other thing that's important, you need to make sure that this drop down here has selected DVD video there. That needs to be selected, and also on preferences, just make sure that on the video section of the DVD it's got loop DVD video discs and force 4:3 aspect ratio. So most of the time that's already there, but just double check that on your preferences. Then we're going to drag the M4V file into there. It says one incompatible file. Would you like to convert that file to DVD MPEG? Yes, you would. So you just put yes there, and basically it's going to create another file. So again, we put that into the Nicole folder that we created. So choose the Nicole folder. Region is PAL. Choose that, and what it's doing now is it's encoding the exported file from iMovie into a file version that you will then be able to burn onto a blank DVD. So we're going to wait for that to go to 100%. Once that's done, we'll put in a blank DVD, press burn, and that should be our finished DVD. Just a small point, when you've opened up the burn application, it usually stays on data to begin with. You want to make sure that it's on video, which it needs to be on, and make sure then that the DVD is on DVD video, not SVCD or VCD or DivX, but DVD video. So we've exported all of that. It's there, it comes into the window, it's a Nicole MPEG. We can now burn that onto a blank DVD. Basically we will grab a blank DVD and put it into there. Oh, got the DVD in there already. So we'll eject the DVD that's in there, and we'll burn, put a blank DVD in, and just wait for your DVD to catch up, and eventually press burn, and it's just waiting for the drive to initiate, and that's all ready, so ready to burn, and now that's basically authoring the DVD, and this will go all the way through. Eventually it'll spit out your DVD, and that will be your master DVD, or new master DVD, and it should work fine. That's it, that's how to do it. I hope you've enjoyed this. Thank you.